Wey Miami ball lovers make una carry seat come forward. Mrs. Jonson don't finally reply Angela Okorie, her alleged bestie Ifeoma wey dey drag am say her mama na witch. She don't finally come out come address them. Wetin Mrs. Jonson talk for this video go shock you. When I saw the video I say so Mrs. Jonson don't finally come out though. Everything say she no go say anything. But I like the way she come address these people because their own don't dey too much. Make we listen to wetin she talk.
Those that watch you most, give them drama, give them movies, and keep living your life. Woo!
If I block you, I lose guard. If I block you, I fuck up. My season film, you know, call wash am. You must wash am. You must wash am. Yes, now. As the form say you be monitoring spirit. See, I go use updates. Long one. Do I make long make get Sunday? Long updates. You go long and I go for your long go reach Kosodi. You go for your long go reach Ariave. You never see.
My country people, you see, I really love this new Mrs. Jonson. No internet drama free. See the way she just responded to these people in a classy way. She talk say, as you won't buy from my matter, now so you go watch me excel and make it in life. Now so you go dey watch me with your cheap data and I go dey make her. I too love this woman, make I no lie. I like her. She's so intelligent, so talented. Who no like Mrs. Jonson lose guard? That's the whole thing. I mean, my people waiting on I think. Do you like the way she responded to them in a very classy way? Drop them for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Now, bye.